Haven't you heard? A new technology that is even faster than text-to-speech. Buckle up and welcome the latest word in automated video generation. We have just upgraded our video creation UI. Now, all of the options for video creation are laid out in front of you. Have you noticed something new there? Yes. Now you can generate a video from an URL or a whole copied article. To use this beta version feature, go to any blog post page and copy the link, then click on the Create from Text URL button and paste. And if you would like to copy-paste your text, you do not need to divide it into sections. With some special text-to-video templates, your video will be prepared in no time. Currently, this feature is supported in 9 languages: English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. And to let us know what websites you want this feature to be compatible with, please vote on our e-commerce landing or email us at support@elai.io. We have also added the option to create vertical or square videos. Try to make one for your social media. Of course, there are also cool templates for that. Now, your default stock background options will be blurred for that high-quality looking touch. If you are a fan of something different, it is still no problem to have a regular background. Do not hesitate to reach out and let us know your feedback. Email us at support@elai.io. Thank you for choosing Elai.